Hello and welcome back to another week here at Knack Kitchen, where today we're going to be making cranberry orange muffins. For the next few uploads, I'm going to be focusing on some breakfast options, and these muffins are absolutely perfect for that. And with that being said, let's just dive into this video and see how we make this. So the first thing that we're going to do is boil our dried cranberries, and I like to do that in some cranberry juice. It just adds that extra cranberry flavor. Now in case you don't have cranberry juice, you can just use water. And then we're going to go ahead and add some orange zest, which is going to add to the orange flavor in this muffin. And now we're just going to reduce this until most of our liquid has evaporated, and it'll look like this and it's ready, and we're just going to set this aside while we work on our muffin batter. So for that, I have some soft salted butter in a bowl, to which we're going to go ahead and add our sugar. I'm using both brown and white sugar, but you could use completely brown sugar or white sugar, as the case may be. And we're just going to whisk this together until everything's well combined. And after that, we're going to go ahead and add our eggs one at a time, and we're going to mix this for about 30 seconds per egg so that the egg is nicely incorporated. So once both of our eggs have been incorporated, we're going to go ahead and add some vanilla extract and orange zest for flavor. And once that has been mixed in, we're going to go ahead and add some sour cream. Now normally I don't have sour cream at hand, so I would use yogurt, and you can do that as well. So as we mix in the sour cream, you'll notice that the mixture will curdle a little, but that's fine. Just add the remaining wet ingredients. All substitutions would be in the description box below. I'm just going to mention that. And as you can see, the mixture is very curdled, but we're going to start adding our dry ingredients, which is just some flour and some baking powder. And as we start mixing in our flour, the mixture will start to come together, and you'll notice that it'll start looking like a cake batter. So now that I've added all of my flour, I'm going to use my spatula to fold this all in. And as you can see, it's a normal cake batter finally. So now we're going to add our soaked cranberries, and we're going to mix this through as well. Now in case you have fresh or frozen cranberries, then you do not need to do the first step at all. You can directly add them to the batter. So now we're going to divide our batter into our muffin pans. This recipe would yield 12 muffins. Now as you can notice, one of my pans is slightly bigger than the other, and the baking time would vary accordingly. So I'm just going to use a spoon to smoothen out, ensure that all of the batter is evenly inside the pan. And now this goes into a preheated oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. I did take out the smaller pan first, but here I brought them all together for the camera. But yes, the baking time was slightly different for the two. I'll mention the details in the description box below. So here you have my cranberry orange muffins. These muffins are absolutely delicious all on their own, but if you want, you can certainly drizzle them with some melted white chocolate, or you could even make an orange glaze. I've made that before. I'm going to link that in the description box below. So now I'm just going to dive into one of these muffins to show you how beautifully soft they are and how beautifully the cranberry is adorned all across this muffin. This is absolutely delicious, and you really need to give this a try. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please do give a like, do share and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And as always, thank you so very much for watching, and I'm gonna see you next week.